clear that brush over there.
All right, bring the wheelbarrow around.
This pile is ready for pickup. Watch out, this section is unstable.
You have to get this part first.
Bring that scaffolding over here. All right, watch your hands. Careful with the wood, heavy stuff. Watch that beam on the left. Securing it now. Pass me another coupler.
Line it up straight.
All right, hold it steady while I nail it.
It's secure.
We're starting the mix now.
We've cleared the main stack. Watch out below, sending down some scrapings.
Watch it up there. Is this section ready for mortar? Almost, just finishing the scraping on this crack. Is that level yet?
Almost, push it up on your end. Hold it steady, I'm securing the brace now. Looks good, we finished the plaster and the chimneys are done.
Big improvement. The site is much cleaner now too.
The shell is secure. We can begin the finishing work as planned.
Agreed. Let's start with the exterior beautification.
All right, team, let's get these joints brushed and reset the path connection. I need help lifting this stone over here. Almost done brushing this section.
How about the lantern right here? Yes, that looks lovely. The cushions make it so inviting.